Welcome to another Omenani series. It is Zetobo Sigwe Ezi Kolomo. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Okay. Today I'm going to discuss major differences between an Ogbanje and Amosu. Major differences between an Ogbanje and Amosu. I have done a previous video about Ogbanje and Amosu not being bad. So this video is like a follow-up, to expand it a little, to expand the subject matter a little more. So because Ogbanje and Amosu are mainly out of body operation or activity, many do not know the difference between the two. Many people mistake Amosu with Ogbanje. Many people mistake Ndo Ogbanje to Nde Amosu. There are differences. The difference between Amosu and Ogbanje is like difference between a plantain tree and a banana tree. From close or even far observation, both appear seemingly similar. However, upon remote and thorough scrutiny, the differences between the two trees become crystal clear. Also, the fruit of the two trees shows that the two trees are practically different, despite that their body structure and leaves are the same. This is how it is with Amosu and Ogbanje. Both are out of body activities. It's not activity that one carry out mainly in this physical body. It's mainly an out of body activities. Yet their style of operation or mission are different, or the temperament are different, the fruits are different. Now, here are 5 major differences between Amosu and Ogbanje. Listen, Ogbanje is Prebet Admission. That means an Ogbanje is born an Ogbanje. Is a Prebet admission and arrangement, whereas Amosu, admission into Amosu is post-birth. Ana amwe mmadu na Amosu or itolute mmadu ilia Amosu. If you want to be an Amosu, maybe when you are giving birth to, you have a family that have Amosu, they initiate you into it, into the witchcraft, into their own brand of witchcraft. Or when you grow up and you are in your search to shop for power, you do what? You get initiated into an Amosu cult. However, Ogbanje is a Prebet arrangement. Like I said, there are similarities. There are similarities that mostly the activities is out of body. Maybe when the person is sleeping, it's their psychic parts that carry most of their activities. That's what we mean by out of body. It's their psychic parts. The psychic parts, by psychic parts, means it's not this real body. It's another body that takes the shape of physical body, but not real body, that carry out the activities. The activities are mainly out of body. So Amosu and Ogbanje activities are mainly psychic. Yet the mode of admission differs. And Ogbanje is admitted before he or she comes to the world. Oba otu ndo Ogbanje and Oba otu ndo Ogbanje. Now, otu Amosu amocha mmadu wee ba otu Amosu. Either na mgbe amolie, mgbe ọ na-etonite, or otonite sha ojila aka ya na onwe ye bayi n'otu Amosu. Number 2, admission into Ogbanje is based on merit. Admission into Ogbanje is not careless. Anybody cannot become an Ogbanje. Admission into Ogbanje is based on merit. One's past life's achievement is what determines, as in whether you have passed a lunar level about a Ogbanje. Your achievement based on your past life is what admits you into Ogbanje. On the contrary, anybody, a rascal, a charlatan, can be initiated into Amosu once the person can afford the admission fee. Usually to Amosu, usually Amosu. Oh no, you many do to Ahangwaliano. If you are willing to pay the price, you have to Amosu. But it's not so with Ogbanje. Ogbanje is strictly by merit. It's strictly by what? Merit. Number 3, Amosus. The Amosu are merciless and destructive when they attack those who are not their members. They are merciless and destructive when they attack those who are not their members. The rate they plunder and destroy the weak or outsiders is atomic. Obi adirofam matter. No mercy. However, Ogbanje mainly use their power to defend themselves, so that they will not be at the mercy. They are journeying into this physical realm. They will not be at the mercy of Amosus and the Amosu. So their power, they mainly use their power to defend themselves, or if need be, defend the weak. I'm not saying that they go about defending the weak, because if you are weak, you need to go and look for what you are supposed to do to get strong. But an Ogbanje Nweke, out of mercy, decide to defend you. Or feel one of the oppression, Kazelenko. So this means Amosus, the Amosu only come to the aid of their members. They come to the aid of their members, and they are out to destroy anybody who is not their member that try to stand on their path. However, Ogbanje is come to the aid of the weak. And Ogbanje cannot be weak. I hope you know that. So Ogbanje cannot be weak. So I cannot say that Ogbanje is coming even to the rescue of their members. But what I'm saying now, the additional information I'm adding is that they come to the weak, aid of the weak, if there is need for them to do so. Now, number 4, Ndi Amosu, they love this physical world and fight to live and enjoy this world. One of the things Ndi Amosu ne meta first, Hana try ibiogonogondo at a heavy price. They do it at a heavy price because they want to be free. They want to do everything and still want to live long. They want to do all manner of evil, wickedness, and still want to prolong their life. So they pay the required price for them to achieve this. They want to live and enjoy this world. They Amosu love this physical world. This world is their main arena. Their main. This world is the main fun arena of Ndi Amosu. So, and they want to enjoy it. Whereas, an Ogbanje do not really find this world a happy place. They do not enjoy this world. They are always quick to exit the world and do not try to negotiate for an extension once their time and mission is completed. I want to believe there are some even cases of Ndi Ogbanje who didn't even try to fulfill their mission and they just exit the world. Actually, they don't like it because they don't understand the toys of this world. Why we want to suffer? This world is the least in terms of, if you start going into mysticism, you understand that this world is the most tortuous. Now, number 5. Ndi Amosu understands and plays the game of survival of the fittest more than anyone in this physical world. Ndi Amosu are the rulers, exploiters, and the destroyers in chief of any space they choose to operate in. Any sphere in this world they live, they are the rulers, exploiters, and destroyers of the space they operate. While Ndi Ogbanje are the saviors. They are the moderates. Despite their high spiritual rating, they do not run riots. They do not run what? Riots. They do not go about exploiting defenseless souls to their own advantage. One of the key powers of an Ogbanje, of a true Ogbanje, is clairvoyance. One of the two powers of Ozibonyo Ogbanje is clairvoyance. So in conclusion, I state this: both an Amosu and Ogbanje are conscious of who they are. and their out-of-body activities. Onye Ogbanje has no marry for name, onye Amosu has no marry for name. They are conscious of their out-of-body activities. This means one cannot be any of these and claim to be ignorant of their out-of-body operations. You know, I'm telling you that they do not do all these things physically. At times, it might be in their dream state that they do all these things. They carry out these things. They do most of their activities. This is out-of-body psychic existence. This world is not only based on what you are seeing and feeling. The world transcends what you are seeing and feeling. So, a true Amosu, a true Ogbanje, Amosu and Ogbanje, they know what they are doing. If an Amosu person kills someone, if an Ogbanje person saves someone, save them. They attack you, Ogbanje, attack you. Ogbanje and Amosu are neat operation done in the psychic realm of existence. Then, with time, the physical manifestation takes place. If they mention a more to poor men, if only Amosu na if a more with time, if an apple fire. With time, if an apple fire, you lose that thing. Only Amosu go with a more with time, if you will die. So these are the basic differences I feel I can share publicly with you that will help you in your quest to understand this world that is not actually, that is more than what it appears to be. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.